Get the Tomahawk Power Concrete Scarifier with a 5.5 horsepower Honda engine. Easily grind and level surfaces at a rate of 500 square feet per hour. With an 8-inch working width cut up to 1/8 of an inch per pass, making trip hazard removal simple. OSHA compliant, this Scarifier is designed to fit most vacuums and bags, reducing airborne dust. With an optional tungsten carbide blade kit, it's perfect for trip hazard repair, surface texturing, traffic line removal, and more. Power your world and get yours today.